YouTube is now on easy mode. You know why? Anyone can blow up this year 2025. Let's face it, YouTube used to be the wild west, right? Complicated algorithm, endless competition, and creators grinding for years just to hit 1,000 subscribers, right? But guess what? In this year, 2025, YouTube has officially entered easy mode. That's right. This platform is now more accessible than ever. And if you have been waiting for your chance to blow up, this is the right time. Stay with me, sit down, because in this video, I am going to break down exactly why YouTube is now easier than ever. The changes that make this possible and how you can take advantage of it. And trust me, you don't need a fancy camera or millions of dollars to start. Let's dive in. Hey there, welcome back and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Desi Pictures TV and I'm here to help you unlock the secret of YouTube success. Today, we are diving deep into how 2025 has made it easy than ever to grow on this platform. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step roadmap to ride this new wave and grow your channel faster than you ever thought possible. If this is a video you have loved to watch, please like this video, subscribe and share this to a whole lot of people for them to get what this good news. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why YouTube has finally hit that easy mode. There are three huge reasons. The first reason is the exploration of short content. Guys, YouTube Shorts are still dominating this year 2025 if you don't know it today, and they have become a golden ticket for small creators, small YouTubers. Why? Because the algorithm is designed to push out new creators and their content faster than ever before. That is because YouTube wants to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Alright? If you haven't started creating shorts, what are you waiting for? You are leaving a massive growth on the table. So you need to start it today. As I'm talking to you after watching this video, make sure you start implementing by uploading your short right away, because short is now the endless road toward YouTube success. The second thing is what? Better discoverability. Yes, YouTube has introduced smarter algorithm that actually help small creators. Oh wow, that's so amazing for YouTube. They have introduced these features like personalized search results, niche-based recommendations, and even AI-generated subtitles have leveled the playing field. Transition. Your content can reach wider people all over the world, even if you don't have a big audience yet. The third one is viewers are more engaged than ever. Yes, this YouTube be on easy mode. It has been a game changer. YouTube is not just a video platform anymore. It is a full-blown ecosystem. People are watching on their TVs, laptops, and phone for hours a day. Like they are spending half of their days on YouTube, on this YouTube platform. Plus, the rise of membership, super thanks, and live stream means viewers are actively supporting creators. This makes it easier than ever to turn your passion into profit. So you can start what? You can start your channel today and start making a profit from your Your passion. Part 2, I'm going to give you the key strategies to blow up in this year 2025. Now that you have known why YouTube is on easy mode and why anyone can blow up in 2025. Let's talk about how you can take the advantage of this world, this growth. I mean, how you can take the advantage of it. Here are the 5 killer strategies you need to implement. Strategy 1. Listen attentively. If you have watched to the end of this video, why haven't you subscribed? Strategy 1. Are you ready? Are you ready? Strategies 1 is no other thing like start with YouTube Shorts. Yes, short are the perfect way to get discover right away. I mean, to get discover fast. Focus on creating quick, engaging video with a hook in the first 3 seconds and don't overthink it. Yes, do not overthink your first 3 seconds. Use your phone, share tips, tell a story or entertain. Consistency is the key here. Try uploading at least 3 shots per week to see the results. Strategy 2. Know your niche. In this year, 2025, niche content is the key. The more specific your niche, the more easier it is to attract a dedicated audience. Instead of being a jack of all trades, pick one niche and stick to it. Yes, think of it this way. Would you rather be the fish in a giant ocean or the biggest fish in a small pond? Exactly. Answer this question. Drop it in the comment section. Alright? Okay, strategy 3 is nothing but optimize your short for watch time. Like optimize for watch time. The YouTube algorithm loves video that keep viewers engaged. Add hook every few minutes. Use text pop-ups. Use text that can pop ups and keep your energy up to hold attention. Here are some bonus tips. Use storytelling to keep people watching. Everyone loves a good story, right? There is no one that will come to these YouTubes wasting their data on watching a bad video. So everyone loves a good story. And it is a surefire way to boost your retention, if you don't know. Then the 4th strategy is what? Build a community. Here is a secret. Your subscribers aren't just numbers, they are people. So don't think that all these subscribers and all this audience watching your videos are just what? Number. They are human beings. Engage with them. Reply to their comments because it is not easy for somebody to watch your video and comment. It is not easy. Do you know how hard people that get millions, thousands of views at the end, they are not getting people to comment on their video? It is so what? Doubting. So you need to start replying to your audience what? Comments. Ask for their feedbacks and even create a community what? Space. When you make people feel valued, they will stick around and share your content with others. Yes, now the 5th strategy is what? Monetize smarter, not harder. Once you start growing, don't rely on ad revenue alone. Sponsorship, affiliate links, and selling your own product can supercharge your income. And the best part, you can start monetizing even with a small audience as long as they are engaged. The part 3 of this whole of the thing is that I'm going to give you a tools that will help you supercharge your growth. Just pay attention, listen clearly because these tools that I'm about to give you, if you miss it, guys, I don't know what will be the next option. I don't know what will be the next thing that will happen. All right? You want to make things even easier. Use tools, TubeBuddy can help you find keywords. Canva is perfect for designing professional thumbnails. Like I use Canva to design my professional looking thumbnails. And tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm video ideas in just not less than 1 minute. not less than 1 minute, ChatGPT have bring you a what? A brainstorming what? Video ideas. Then what are you going to do? Work smarter, not harder, and let these tools do the heavy lifting work for you. Alright? So many creators are not telling us how they are getting their video idea. You see all these creators that is in this YouTube. Don't think that all of them sabi, they no sabi anything. They are just using some all these video ideas app, all these app that are giving them video ideas, they are brainstorming them video ideas, and they will make some research on it, then implement it on their own before they will now what? Do a video about it. So don't think that they are perfect, all right? Do not think that all these things are coming from their head. Most of all these things, 95% of all these video they are making, even this one that I make, is the help of what? ChatGPT. It helped me with a video ideas, then I put my own, make some research, implement it before I start making this what? Video. Alright? So that is how the best growth for what? Growing on YouTube. Then the part 4, what are the common mistakes to avoid in this year 2025? If you want to blow up this year, what are the common mistakes that you are going to avoid? Before we wrap it up, let me save you from some common mistakes. The first mistake you are not going to avoid is what? Trying to go viral on every video. Don't expect that every YouTube video you post you are going viral. Now, what are you going to do? Focus on consistency and value. Viral videos are great when you experience it, but sustainable growth is better. The second thing is what? Neglecting thumbnails and title. Most of the new creators neglect their thumbnails and title. Like they just make their thumbnail anyhow, then write a title anyhow, thinking that views, subscriber will fall down from heaven. Your thumbnail and title are the first impression. So make them count, make them put them into consideration. Take your time to design your thumbnail. Take your time to do what? To craft your what? Your title from your keywords. All right? So stop ignoring your words, your thumbnail and title. They are the first thing your viewer will see before they will buy your product. No be so. If person come market say you wan buy product, the person go like see the sample of the product, right? The third one is giving up too soon. YouTube success takes time. Viral videos take time. You don't expect an instant growth. Even on easy mode, you need patience and persistence. Keep going. All right? So there you have it. YouTube in 2025 is officially on easy mode and anyone can blow up. With the right strategies and tools, anyone can grow a successful YouTube channel. But here is the thing, you have to start. First, right now, no excuses, no hesitation. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comment section what your dream for your YouTube channel is. Let's make it happen together. Now, go out there, hit record, and show the world what you have got. Thank you for watching to the very end of this video. Make sure you hit that bell icon notification below so that you wouldn't want to miss out on any of my upload. See you on my next upload. Bye for now.